Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let x and y be two events such that p of x, let's write down these things. So, p of x is 1 by 3, p of x given y. P of x given y is what? 1 by 2. And p of y given x is 2 by 5, and then we have to find out these entities. So look at this, how we will respond. So first I will break down the first part, p of x given y. So I can write down this thing as p of x intersection y upon p of y. Okay, now look at this. So who is p of x given y? It is 1 by 2. Now we don't have anything which belongs to p of x intersection y. We don't have anything which belongs to p of y, so we will keep this thing as it is. Okay, now let's jump on to the next idea. The next idea is p of y given x. So p of y given x can be written as p of y intersection x upon p of x. Okay, and you have this thing as 2 by 5, and p of y intersection x upon p of x. P of x is what? 1 by 3, है ना? So 1 by 3. So can I say that p of y intersection x will become 2 by 15, है ना? And p of x intersection y and p of y intersection x is same thing, no? And here look at this, they are saying that p of x intersection y is 1 by 5, but you know it is 2 by 15, so this is wrong. Correct? Now we will substitute there, so we will get p of y equals 2 times p of x intersection y, so it is 2 by 15. So can I say that p of y is 4 by 15? Okay, so p of y is 4 by 15. This means this idea is correct. Okay, and this is also correct. So we have already commented on these two things. Now look at this person. So can I write this thing as, wait a moment, I will be writing p of x union y equals p of x plus p of y minus p of x intersection y. In place of n, you guys can write p. How you can write? Look at here. Suppose that n of a union b you are writing is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Okay, so can I divide both side by, you know that all together it will become sample space, so can I divide everything by sample space? Okay, so this thing means ns 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 ns. So this thing will become what? Probability of a union b is equal to probability of a plus probability of b minus probability of a intersection b. So this way we have derived the formula. Now look at this. The probability of x union y we don't know. We have to calculate. Okay. So let's calculate this thing first. So who is p of x? P of x is 1 by 3. Correct? Who is P of y? P of y is 4 by 15. 4 by 15. Who is P of x intersection y? P of x intersection y is 2 by 15. Now can I multiply and divide by 5? So it will become 5, 4, 9, 9 minus 2, 7. So 7 by 15. So this value will become 7 by 15. But here they have given 2 by 5. So this thing is wrong. Okay. Now we have to go with the final part, that is this idea. P of x dash given y. So P of x dash given y. Now you can write down this thing as P of x dash intersection y upon P of y. है ना? Now look at this. If you will observe this part, what is this? In a set, if you will consider set x and set y, suppose this is x and this is y. So you know that it is inside y but outside x, means we have to consider this room. Correct? So let's substitute the values first. So earlier you know that this part is x intersection y. So who is x intersection y? X intersection y is 2 by 15. So can I substitute the whole value as 2 by 15? Now we have to, you know that we have to find out this part. So it is outside x but inside y. So P of y is what? 4 by 15. And you guys have already consumed 2 by 15. So we are left with 2 by 15. Okay. So this part will become what? This part. Inside y but outside x. So can I substitute 2 by 15 divided by P of y? So who is P of y? P of y is this 4 by 15. Okay, so 4 by 15. Now you can simplify things. So you will be left with 1 by 2. So this option is correct. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.